This is the home screen of the application. Quite a lot of drama, short clips which you can watch. They're very, very interesting, guys. Not gonna lie. As you can see, you can scroll and look for what you want. You have different sections and categories which you can choose from. You have family. A lot of them, guys. Sweet love, a lot of them. Cute boy. There's a lot of them which you can choose from and start watching it right away. All you have to do is just select what you call episode you want to start watching. Say, for example, this one here, and you're pretty much good to go. Sometimes it may encounter ads, so do keep that in mind. And as well, you can also tap on the list option here to pretty much see the episodes of this short drama clip here. So as you can see, I'm on the first episode, and I have some other episodes here as well. So some of these episodes may require coins to unlock. I'm not sure for this application, however, but as you can see here, it's very, very easy to use. But most of these series or episodes on this application here is completely free, and the most you're gonna see is ads. So all you have to do is pretty much pay for the remove ads feature, and you're good to go. So in the for me section here, we'll just show you short clips of all of the movies across, or all the drama clips across the application, and much similar to TikTok where you can pretty much scroll and you just see some random stuffs. It won't show you much, it'll just show you the most interesting part to get you captured. Yeah, so in the collection section here, this is pretty much where you'll see your watch list, all the movies that you have watched on this application here, and discover section, pretty much like the home page. Nothing much for that. So in the My section here, this is where you pretty much go to get the free ads subscription. As you can see at the top here, get enjoy free ads experience. So this application here, if I do tap on this option here, be able to experience no ads for, as you can see here, 7 days. As you can see the price here, I pretty much think it's a discount for that price here, but the original price is pretty much $2. The monthly subscription is $5. You can see here no ads. So the only thing you'll be paying for is no ads. Usually some of these applications require you to get coins and subscription to unlock series, but this application is completely free. The only thing you're gonna do is maybe see a couple of ads and you're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it for the application, and here may get a discount there and then. If you're gonna get a subscription, I may recommend you to get the discounts as well. So in the settings option here, nothing much for the application. You can also change the language and so forth. So very, very easy application to use. Very, very good application as well. Not a lot of ads, and yeah, that's it. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. Glad enough to help you out. I'll see you guys in the next one.